What up, YouTube? It's Poop Dog here, and I'm going to destroy this pumpkin with my MP5 airsoft gun. One sec, let me get it. Alright, got it here, and yeah, just enjoy. Well, I'm all out right now. 1 second. I'm going to reload. Alright, I have reloaded, and I'm about to destroy some more of this pumpkin. Let's get to it. Alright, YouTube, well, I just blew through like 400 BBs with this thing, and here you can see all the destruction I made. That was actually really fun, and yeah, well, this is all I have for this video. I'll see you later. What up, YouTube? It's Poop Dog here again, and I am shooting up one of my friend's pumpkins that he left here with my H&K USP CO2 pistol. And yeah, let's do this once again. Reloading. Howdy, partners. Boy, am I blowing through ammo quick. I'm back. Reloading once again. Alright, I'm reloaded. Let's do this. Alright, you are now seeing this view of me destroying this pumpkin. Oh, I'm out. Well, YouTube, this has been my Halloween special, destroying pumpkins. Hope you had a fun time enjoying this. And, Justin, your pumpkin is now destroyed.